Hello, my name is Brendan Hoover. The topic I chose to study today is enhancing the student-instructor communication through a full stack ticketing system. The reason I chose this is because I'm actually working on a ticketing system for student and instructors, and I felt like a good way to study for it is looking at some, further enhancements for it and really just kind of going through different technologies and what we're working on. So yeah, I'll give you a quick little introduction. Oh, okay, yep, there we go. Introduction. So the ASU ticketing system overview. So this is just kind of what it looks like. This is actually on the admin side here. And so what you can see is you can create tickets. It gives you different options to create tickets essentially. And then also just like here's what like it looks like on a T for all the TAs that would get assigned when you create a ticket. As we go along, you'll see other things that pretty much it shows. And the whole goal of this is to focus on the communication between students and instructors, primarily uh, for capstone when issues do arise. The goal is that there's a pretty clear path of communication between the students and instructors. And then this is a full stack project. So front end, back end, database, all that. And then just some other stuff. We're using role-based access here. So students have different access. TAs and admins have TAs, admins, and instructors will have different access as well. So, and they've all kind of got their own thing, all very similar, but just different actions. So, yeah. So, yep, our tech stack is React for the front end, and then we're using Node and Express in the back end, and then our database is Postgres, a little bit of SQL. Then we also are using JWT for the authentication, JSON Web Tokens, and then it's hosted on the GoDaddy server, and all the fixes are made locally. So here's kind of just like a little bit of the technology stack down here, kind of what it does. We didn't choose this. I really have nothing to say on this. We came in about halfway through this project, or we came in after they started this project. I'm just kind of telling you what was chosen for it. So yeah, okay. So, kind of one thing that I've seen and what I want to even enhance more and is the life cycle of tickets. So essentially, a student will create a ticket. There really should be minimal reason for a TA or admin to create a ticket. We do have that function, but there really isn't much of a reason that a TA or admin would be creating that ticket. This is primarily for students to create tickets, but essentially the whole idea is that a student would be assigned a TA or an admin or an instructor, and they get assigned to the ticket when it's created, and then the status updates will occur also. So you can, in here in this image down here, you can see that you can change the status of a ticket and yeah, and then also I've implemented the ability to receive notifications when a status has been updated. So yeah, and then we're using JSON Web Tokens for authentication and security. And the whole idea is that's kind of what the standard is. Once again, we didn't choose that, but that's what we've gone with. And then we also have it so it everything's based to the user ID now. So it wasn't originally like that. So now because it's just like and originally it's just a lot of block stuff or whatever or filler, I guess. So now every TA student whatever will have their own individual stuff based on their student ID. So yep. And then some of the challenges have been just taking over a project halfway through. It's kind of been a little bit difficult. So that kind of getting set up. And yeah, setting up locally took forever. I think that took about 2 weeks because we really didn't know how to do it. I mean, we've set stuff up locally, but that took a lot of time. And then just getting it started on GoDaddy took quite a bit of time. I didn't personally work on that, but I've been working a lot on just adding functionality to the website locally. So, and that's been good. So yeah. And here's just some of the references. So here's you can see a couple of my references are the JSON Web Token stuff because I didn't know a whole lot about that, and I learned a lot there. And then just some Postgres stuff down here that I learned, and then some role-based access stuff. So yeah, thank you.